for formation there, Dr. William Randolph.
Hello,
We
sir.
are back again. I'm going to go ahead and dispense with some of the formalities because you all met us during our last session. My name is Walter Cotton. My partner in crime there is Dr. William Randolph. I call him doctor, but he doesn't play one on television.
That's right.
He just happens to be what I like to refer to as your favorite government contractor. Hey, William, how are you?
I'm well. How are you today, Walter?
I'm fantastic, man. And with all of this action swirling around DEI, I got a lot of feedback last week. And one of the central themes that came in for me was from civil servants that are being displaced by a lot of the activity that's going on. And many of them keyed in on the fact that, you are a former civil servant that has gone the full gambit and has experienced what it's like to transition out of civil service to the private sector. And so I wanted to just tap into your brain thrust on what those civil servant employees or staffers may be thinking and what kinds of strategies they should be considering in this season.
Yeah, thank you, Walter, for that. Yeah, it's tough. My heart still aches and bleeds for them. I did the transition in 2016, not under extremis. It was a actual decision to do that because I wanted to play a different game than the one that I was inside of federal government. So the three I would say three things. There's probably lots of things, lots of stuff, but I would put these things in three buckets. One, making a decision to transition. What people that I'm talking to now, so many people are just kind of in a just a pause because they don't know what to do.